Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you almost 100% winning strategy if you follow this strategy by the method that I am going to teach in this video. So you will be completely because this indicator has worked for my subscribers and they are working because this is my private indicator. It's bit expensive, but the quality work is already done on this indicator. And the second thing that we are also giving the option that later on, if you want to automate this strategy using expert advisor, then we will give you that option, that you will have the option to convert that strategy into the expert advisor. So this strategy works in Forex, crypto, stocks, future, whatever it is exported on the whole trading view. You can use this strategy without any problem. Just you need to follow the guidelines, and moreover you will also get the video about the use of this indicator properly. And once you will understand the concepts, then you can hit almost 95 to 100% results with the strategy, because I'm going to show you right now that how this strategy is powerful, and it beats everything that is available on TradingView. Yes guys, everything. I'm talking about the premium indicators and the paid indicators that are available on TradingView. It's going to beat that one, and I'm going to show you each and everything in this video. So please make sure that if you want to get the lifetime version of my personal indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below, and you can also send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. all details are given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, now you can see most of the indicators that you can see on the TradingView, they are lagging. Now look at the beauty: sell, 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 and then trend get changed, and it has provided you with a gray zone not to trade, and then it has pointed you with a buy signal. Perfect. The buy signals from the gray zone not to trade. Sell. Perfect. Sell. Good for scalping, because right now my time frame is 5 minutes, and then you can see buy, 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 and right now that the bands are again into the gray color, which means not to trade. Okay, now you can apply this strategy on anything. Like this is the Great Britain pound CAD. You can see selling and now buying. Okay, so all we just need is to avoid the consolidation, and you will get a video about it. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. Now look at here: buy, buy, buy. Okay, now you can see throughout that was the night time, so you can see this is the consolidation. You will get the video about it, because we are not going to use that indicator into the consolidation. Don't worry about it. If you do not have any idea about the consolidation, you will get the video, and I will personally teach you that how you can get rid of the consolidation. And now you can see it's working. So almost 100% result into the moving market conditions. Okay, now look, this is Euro JPY. Now you can see, okay, that was the night time, I think so. Okay, so previously sell, buy, and then you can see selling, and then it went simply up. Okay, now you can test this indicator on anything. Okay, look, this is the consolidation night time, and now you can see the price is moving up. Okay, so anything like you trade, like AUD USD, that was the consolidation. Okay, so we are going to test it on the moving market. You can see this market is moving, so this is fine. Okay, so all you just can expect the wrong signal on the trend change. Otherwise, mostly this indicator will not supply you any of the wrong signals. Okay, so let me show you other pairs like Great Britain pound CHF. You can see it's going down. Okay, let's have a look on NZD JPY. Okay, look at here, the powerful selling and the buying opportunity is selling and then buying, and then the trend change signal from the gray zone not to trade, and right now it's into the selling pressure. So this is the quality that we have done on this indicator. Look at here: sell, buy from the gray zones not to trade, sell, sell, the trend got changed, and now you can see it's working into the buy direction. USD CHF somehow moving well. You can see buy, sell, and sell. So perfect. I mean, if you trade S&P 500, look at this. This is the S&P 500 chart. You can see it's simply going down. Even the sell like 15 minutes ago, you can see it simply went down. Let's have a look on gold. You can see gold previously buy, sell, gray zone, and went up, and this was the losing buy, then selling again. Okay, so let's have a look on US30. Okay, you can see on US30 previously hold up, then now working on the selling side. Let's have a look on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is in consolidation at the moment. So Bank Nifty, you can see Bank Nifty selling and right now buying. So this indicator is quite crazy, because that's why I have given a challenge that this indicator beat everything on TradingView. That's why it's a bit expensive, because a lot of hard work has been done on this indicator. So guys, this is the most powerful tool that I have ever developed, and this is the working indicator. You can see almost on everything it is profitable, and you can get up to the 100% success rate into the moving market. So guys, this is the review of the today's indicator, and this is my personal indicator. It's not available on TradingView. I share it privately, so if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, you can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below, or you can send your emails on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.